Okay, so let's get started on downloading Photoshop. For those of you who were in FSD 235 last semester, you're already going to have Creative Cloud downloaded. Cami, Lynn, you guys are going to have to open up the email that was sent to you by Adobe and follow the instructions. Once you have the Creative Cloud installed, then you can click on this and it's going to show you all of the apps that you have within the subscription. And also, it's a good idea while you're doing this, see how there's updates available, do the updates. And mine are already downloaded because I've been working with them. What you're going to have to do is go into Photoshop and open that up. If it's not on the installed, it'll be down here. Okay, then I want you to click on it, download it, open it, do the update available for Photoshop and Illustrator. Just like that. All right, continue. I'm going to do the same thing for Illustrator. So now we have the latest versions, okay? I did put down if you're having any issues. Oh, it's open. I have to close it. If you're having any issues, I did give you the link for how to download and install. Also note that they give you installation instructions for Mac and for PC, so please follow accordingly. And if you have any questions about that, please don't hesitate to reach out.